Let's go! Little red tractor, he's king of the fields. Getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little red tractor, let's go! With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too, and lots more friends in tow. Little red tractor, let's go!
That's you all clean, little red tractor. I think it's starting to clear up, finally. Now we can go and feed the pigs. They will love the new food I've got for them. Almost as much as they like the rain and the mud. Hey? Oh, rats! Something has eaten all the pig food. We'd better get down to the market and pick up some more. Oh, I forgot, it's a Sunday. The market will be closed. Let's go and check on them anyway, and then we can go and see if one of our neighbours has got anything for the pigs to eat. Come on, little red tractor, let's go.
Faster, Big Blue! Must press on! Oh, no! Well, don't look so grumpy. It wasn't my fault. How was I to know the road was so slippery? Oh, all right. Maybe I was going a little too fast, but... Pigs? The fence! They're getting away! Oh, no, you don't! Oh, drat! Looks like it's clearing up, Nicola.
About time.
Well, once the rain stops, I'll get up and fix the roof.
About time.
Oh, you know I was going to get round to patching it up.
Uh-huh.
I was.
It may be too late, Dad. These cakes and sandwiches are ruined. I'm going outside to get out of this rain.
Well, it's not that bad. Well, look, we could dry the bread out. I'll go and fetch the ladder. Stan.
Hello, Mr. Jones. Trouble?
Well, yes. Big Blue is stuck in the mud. But it wasn't my fault. No, not me. It was this rotten weather. And, I may have been going a teeny-weeny, a bit too fast, but
Oh, no, my fence!
Sorry about that. But I will fix that up for you. By the time we get finished, it will be...
Where are our pigs?
Well, they were playing in the mud, then they ran off. Sorry. I did try and stop them, really I did.
We'd better get after them.
But Stan, Big Blue...
OK, I'm sure the pigs won't get far. Don't worry, we'll have Big Blue out of there in no time.
Oh, well, I thought that perhaps you would go and get Nicola and Sparky to tow him out for me. I think it may be too big a job for your tiny tractor.
Little red tractor is stronger than he looks.
Pigs! Oh, wow! Oh, that was close. Even for me. Oh, I'm all covered in mud. Oh, well. Now, what were Stan's pigs doing out here? Oh, and where did they go?
Right.
Are you sure about this, Stan? Big Blue is very, very heavy.
It will be no problem. Right, little red tractor. We'll have to be really careful here. OK, ready? Come on, little red tractor. You can do it.
Just as I thought. Not strong enough. Oh.
Well done, little red tractor.
Marvelous. I knew you could do it. You know, he really is quite strong for a little tractor.
We should get after our pigs.
Thanks, Dan. And look, I may as well fix up your fence for you. It's the least I can do.
Come on, little red tractor. Let's go.
What's that? Oi!
noise about... Oh, Dad! What happened?
Aye!
What happened?
Pigs! There were 2 pigs!
Oh, and they pushed you off, did they?
Nah! I slipped trying to scare them away! They were eating our soggy buns!
They're welcome to them. They're no use to us. Well, I see your new safety harness works.
Oh, yeah, like a dream! Although, it does nip a bit.
Here, piggy, piggy, piggy!
You all right? You're all covered in mud.
Pigs! Your pigs were in the middle of the road, Stan. I had to swerve to avoid them.
I'm sorry, Stumpy, they escaped.
Oh, no harm done.
Where were they?
Well, right here, stood in the mud, happy as anything.
They do love the mud.
I was trying to see where they went. Not this way. They may have gone off towards Beach Garage.
We'll try there. Cheers, Stumpy.
Cheerio!
Nearly there. Thanks, girl.
Hi, Stan. Hi, little red tractor.
Hello. What are you two up to?
Well, to cut a long story short, leaking roof, soggy buns.
Oh, dear. What are you going to do with the slop?
I'm chucking it out.
Could I have it?
Of course.
It's for my pigs, if I ever find them.
Dad saw some pigs earlier.
Pigs? I saw some pigs earlier, little pink porkers with black spots.
They sound like mine. Where did they go?
Not sure. I was dangling upside down at the time. Hold on. Oh, I can see them. They're down at Marshy Wood. Oh, and Stan, you may want to hurry. Looks like they're in trouble.
Right, let's go.
Go on, my son. Just as I said. Works like a dream.
Oh, Dad.
Any chance you could get me down?
I'll get Sparky.
Oh, no. This is going to be tricky. The water is quite deep. In fact, it's almost as deep as your trailer. I wonder if... Yes, I've got a plan, little red tractor, but it's going to need all your strength. I hope this works. Steady does it. This may just work. Almost there, little red tractor. Whoa! Come on, lads. Come on. That's it, fellas. Now, pull, little red tractor. You can do it. Atta boy. Just a little further. Brilliant. Well done, little red tractor. Got you. The lengths you two will go to for a bit of mud. That's it! Mud! I reckon Riverside Field is too clean and grassy for them, and all this mud has given me an idea.
What are they up to?
Wahey! Great job, little red tractor. Looks like we've got 2 very happy pigs here, thanks to you. Now, I think there is still one job left to do. I think we need to give you another wash and a polish. Let's go!
Little red tractor, he's king of the fields. getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little red tractor, let's go! With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too, and lots more friends in tow. Little red tractor, let's go!
Right then, little red tractor. Let's go fetch this flour from Stumpy for the bakery. Steady now.
Stan!
Hello, Walter. What's up?
Car's broken down under the railway bridge, blocking the road. I'll need you and Little Red Tractor to come and tow it out of the way.
Oh, dear. We'd better get it shifted then. What are you looking at? Oh, look! A penny! Find a penny, pick it up, and all day long, you'll have a penny.
I thought it was all day long you'll have good luck.
Yes, well, I'm not a great believer in luck and stuff like that.
Stan, did you bring the cows through here this morning? I think I've trodden in some, something.
Bad luck, Walter. Bet you wish you'd found the penny now. Come on.
Bones, you can keep them. No.
That's it. Steady, little red tractor. Steady as you go. Not much further now. Well done. You may be small, but you're as strong as an ox.
Oh, thanks, Stan. And thanks to you too, Little Red Tractor.
Hey, Stan. Dad, what are you doing?
Problem with the car. Luckily, Stan and Little Red Tractor gave me a hand.
Oh, Dad, you in that car.
Since when have you been selling lottery tickets?
Since last week. We've sold loads already. So, how many would you like?
Not my kind of thing. Thanks, Nicola.
OK, but if you change your mind...
See you later, Stan. Oh, and thanks for the tow, Little Red Tractor.
We'd better get on. Stumpy'll be wondering where we are.
OK, see you later, Stan. Bye, Little Red Tractor.
Hello. Sounds like someone's sawing down a tree. Morning, Mr. Jones. Don't think he can hear us. Hang on, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones! Mr. Jones, look out! The sheep! The tree's going to fall on it!
Are you mad? You could have been crushed.
The tree was going to fall on your sheep. Lucky we came along.
Oh, you mean Stan? Well, thank you.
Well, look at that. A four-leaf clover.
That means it's your lucky day. I wonder if there's another.
Are you all right?
I'm fine, thank you. See? You've already been lucky. The sheep might have, hit you.
I don't believe in luck. See you later. Come on, little red tractor. Stumpy'll think we've forgotten him.
Oh, my. And bar to you, too.
Stumpy, don't forget you said you paint the bathroom today.
Oh, sorry, Elsie. The bathroom will have to wait. Stan's here.
Aha! Well, don't think I'll forget about it.
Sorry I'm late. Got a bit held up.
Oh, lucky you came along when you did, Stan. Elsie almost had me painting the bathroom.
Is this the flower?
That's right, Stan.
Whoa!
Oh, you all right, Stan?
Yeah, it's supposed to be my lucky day today. I found a penny and a four-leaf clover.
And a horseshoe and all.
What?
You keep it, Stan. Good luck, a horseshoes.
Thanks. I'll add it to my collection.
And I'll load this last bag for you. Ow! And ow!
Oh, no. Are you all right?
Oh, why does everything always happen to me?
Come on. We'll have these loaded in no time.
That's the lot. Here's the invoice for the bakery to let them know how much I'm sending them.
Thanks, Hang on. Oh, I've lost my wallet. I know I had it when I left home. Oh, it could be anywhere. Me and Little Red Tractor have been all over the place today.
I tell you what, Stan, I'll help you look. After all, two eyes are better than one.
I've got two eyes, Stumpy.
You know what I mean.
Stumpy, are you ready to paint the bathroom now?
Oh, sorry, Elsie. I got to help Stan find his wallet.
Any luck, Stumpy?
No, nothing so far.
Hello there. Dodged any more falling trees today?
That's a sheep, Stan.
Hello? Little Red Tractor? What? You think she's trying to tell us something? Now, what's the... Ha ha ha!
What is it, Stan?
My wallet!
Well, that's great. Your horseshoe was lucky after all.
I've said to Walter, I've said to Mr. Jones, and I'll say the same to you. There is no such thing as luck.
Oh, I wish you hadn't been quite this lucky, though.
What?
Well, I've still got time to paint the rotten bathroom.
Bye, Stumpy, and thanks for the help. Good job, Little Red Tractor. Now, what's the... Hang on, Mr. Jones.
Ah! Oh, Stan, you surprised me.
You still working? It's getting late, you know.
This is the last one. The tree will fall just there. My tools are in the hands of an expert. Nothing is left to chance. Oh, well, that's not right.
Little Red Tractor! No! Look out!
I can't understand it. It should have fallen the other way.
If anything's happened to Little Red Tractor? You're all right.
That was a stroke of luck.
Luck! Yes! The horseshoe, the clover, the penny. Maybe it is our lucky day. You know what I think? I think we should buy a lottery ticket after all. Or maybe we should just spend the money on a big tin of polish for you, Little Red Tractor. Let's go!
Little red tractor, he's king of the fields. Getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little red tractor, let's go! With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too, and lots more friends in tow. Little red tractor, let's go!
Morning, Mr. Jones. You getting the hay in?
Certainly am. It's dried beautifully in this sunny weather.
Better hurry, though. Looks as if it could rain any minute.
Ah, no problem. Not with Big Blue on the job.
Well, good luck. Morning, Nicola.
Hi, Stan.
Hello, you two. What can I do for you?
Fill us up, would you, Walter?
No problem.
Thanks. See you later.
Yeah, see ya. Oh, come on, Big Blue. What's the matter with you?
Got a problem, Mr. Jones?
Oh, this is so embarrassing, Stan. I can't for the life of me get him going. He was fine a moment ago, and now... Oh, this would happen on the day I'm trying to get the hay in before it rains.
It'll be raining soon, that's for sure. Why don't you let us help? We'll take the wagon and get the hay while you sort out what's wrong with Big Blue.
Really? You'll help? Oh, thank you, Stan.
Why don't we see if Ryan and Amy would like to help with the hay? Hey, watch out!
Oh, good, eh?
What's good exactly, Stumpy?
Well, my emergency stop. Nearly perfect that time. Oh, got hold of a big hay wagon, I see. Very fancy.
It belongs to Mr. Jones. Big Blue's broken down, so we're getting the hay in for him. I'm just off to see if Ryan and Amy would like to help. You be careful, Stumpy. Don't overdo it.
Oh, don't you worry about me, Stan. I'm getting the hang of Nipper now. Bye!
Look, it's Stan and Little Red Tractor.
Hiya!
How would you both like to help with some haymaking?
You bet.
Jump up, then.
Stumpy, I'm busy enough without having you bouncing around my garden.
That wasn't bouncing. That was my emergency stop. Now, rumour has it, you and Big Blue here could do with some help. And I have come to provide it.
Really? You know a lot about tractors?
No.
It's going to be one of those days.
Right, let's get this lot back to Beach Farm.
Try more throttle.
I've tried more throttle.
Ah, try less throttle then.
Oh, yes. This is useless.
How's it going?
It isn't. Darned if I know what to do, Stan.
This could be a job for Nicola, you know.
I think you're right.
OK, we'll unload and then get her.
Now, why didn't you think of that, Mr. Jones?
Hello again, Walter. We've got an urgent message for Nicola.
Nicola? Well, she's out, I'm afraid. Not due back for a couple of hours. Anything I can help with?
Big Blue's broken down. Can you have a look at him?
Yeah, no problem. Let me get my toolbox and I'll be ready to go.
Thanks, Walter. What about the garage?
Oh, I've put up a close sign. This shouldn't take long. Nicola's busy in Babblebrook, so I've come instead.
You've certainly got a very smart toolkit.
Thank you.
Does it ever get used?
Oh, now and again. Now and again.
Well, you won't be needing my help now, so I shall go and help with the hay-making.
Yes, of course. Oh, I say, Walter, You don't think something might have gone wrong with the Brackington-Thornbury fuel injection system, do you? I sincerely hope not. Whatever that is.
Well done, everyone. Keep going.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ah, Stumpy's come to help. Good-o. Another pair of hands.
Another pair of feet, anyway.
Oh, here.
Well... Oh, this is getting us nowhere. Ah, no wonder he's left something out. Walter, you've forgotten this.
That's my lunchbox.
Oh no, they're back again and Big Blue's still not working. This is so embarrassing. Better make myself scarce.
Any luck?
Afraid not. To tell the truth, I'm utterly flummoxed.
I bet Nicola will know what to do. Stumpy, we're going to unload and then go back for the last of the hay. Would you go and see if Nicola's back yet?
Certainly will, Stan. We're on our way. Whoa! Nicola? Nicola!
Hello, Stumpy.
Oh, thank goodness you're back.
Are you starting a new fashion or something?
Looks a bit like it, doesn't it? Now, help me out of this. Then you'd better get the beach farm right away. Your dad could use a hand.
We've nearly done it. Keep going. I think we're just going to make it before the rain comes.
I don't know. Boy, I can't think of anything else to try.
Hello there, Mr. Jones.
Hello, Stumpy.
Hi, Dad. How are you doing?
Not good, Nicola. I'm blowed if I can see anything wrong with him.
Mind if I have a look?
Feel free.
Mr. Jones? Mr. Jones?
He's behind here.
Yes. I was just checking the lawn. For grass. Yes, it's good. It's plenty of grass here.
Ah, there you are. When did you last fill Big Blue up with fuel?
No idea. Ages ago, I guess.
That's what I thought. Looks to me as if his fuel tank's run dry. That's why he won't start.
I don't believe it. How could I be so stupid?
Righto, start him up.
Thank you, Nicola. I'm so sorry, everyone. I've been very silly.
So have I, for that matter.
It's easily done. Anyway, Dad, Big Blue won't need another service for ages now that you've stripped him down and rebuilt him.
That's true. Thank you, Walter. I have been a complete nuisance and wasted everybody's time today. I don't know how to thank you all.
We could all get out of the rain for a start.
Well, everyone, Big Blue's filled up, and now so are we.
Yeah, you bet.
And the hay is safely in. I want to thank you all for helping, but especially those who made it possible. Stan and Little Red Tractor!
All in a day's work. And we've enjoyed it, haven't we, Little Red Tractor?